How to find Roblox servers with low ping. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find Roblox servers with low ping. So for that you have to open a new browser tab and search for BT Roblox, and the first web link you have to just click on that Chrome Web Store, and after clicking on here you can see a Chrome extension for the Roblox, and you can see about 4 million users are currently using it, so it's safe to download. You just have to click on add to Chrome, add extension, and it will automatically add it to your extension. So after that you just make sure that it's running on the background, and then you just have to refresh your Roblox, and then you just have to select the game you want to play. So now let's just say we want to play Rivals. If we click on the Rivals, you just have to simply scroll down and look for the server options from here. And after clicking on here, when the extension fully works, it will show the ping here, and whichever has the lowest ping, it will be smoother to play the game. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.